3 years ago, a team of GMRI staff, project partners, advisors, and vendors began building an unparalleled learning experience for Maine's middle schoolers. The team has worked tirelessly since then to completely reimagine our LabVenture program. Every year, LabVenture offers Maine middle schoolers a hands-on experience with ecosystem science. In its original design, the education program served over 120,000 students. This fall, we're celebrating the results of this redesign effort, funded largely by a breakthrough grant from NASA. The thousands of students who visit LabVenture each year will now use real NASA satellite data, as well as local fishery data, to explore many of the same questions about the Gulf of Maine that our own scientists are tackling. They'll do so in our fully renovated Cohen Center for Interactive Learning, a one-of-a-kind lab space in which students will measure live lobsters, examine plankton under a microscope, and analyze data. Additionally, a newly developed set of classroom resources and professional development experience for teachers will help extend LabVenture back into the classroom. When we reimagined the LabVenture experience, we recognized we needed a renovation of the physical and technical infrastructure of equal scope and ambition. The design of the new Cohen Center combined lessons learned from 13 years of experience working with students and best practices from across the nation brought to us by partners and advisors. Removing the bleacher seating allowed us to optimize the entire space for interactive learning and to improve the sound in the space. New multi-touch tables are designed to enable richer student collaboration by ensuring every student can engage actively with the experience. 4K videos featuring scientists and lobstermen will be projected using state-of-the-art technology. These videos introduce the mystery of a new species showing up in the Gulf of Maine and connect students to a wide variety of people who study the Gulf of Maine. We want students to understand that pursuing a career in science can mean anything from working in a lab, to being out on a boat, to crafting computer-based ecosystem models. Our biodiversity tank has been renovated inside and out, and will showcase the species students are studying, as well as others common in the Gulf of Maine. The guiding image for the physical renovation was a bathymetric map of the Gulf of Maine, reflected in a dimensional wall map, as well as a multi-level floor. Behind the scenes, a completely renovated technical back-end allows us to project NASA satellite data onto both the tables and the projection wall. Students use NASA sea surface temperature data to consider how changing ocean temperatures are driving other changes in our ecosystem. Our goal is to give the next generation the science and data skills they'll need to manage the challenges and opportunities that come with a changing climate. The new LabVenture is a totally unique science learning experience that places students at the center of some of the most important questions scientists are exploring every day.